Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to 5 Squared Support and our current video. The last video I made uploaded to YouTube struck down with a content violation. That video can now be seen on Rumble. Please check it out there. In a way, it does relate to this video. This video is going to show you how to install a Plex server. I've been using Plex for over 10 years. It's a great way to manage your family media and any of your movies you've bought through the years that you've ripped from your DVDs. To get started, we're going to download the Plex server. We can do that by going to 5squaredsupport.tech, click on software, scroll down to about, the 5th or 6th link, and this will actually link us right to the Plex webpage. Alright, we're going to want the 64-bit distribution on almost all cases. There could certainly be exceptions, however. If you have any questions, please give us a call. This is what we're here for. All right, we're going to go ahead and install the Plex Media Server. I'm just going to click on it from the downloads. Before we finish setting this up and launching the Plex Media Server, I want to look at our Windows Explorer. And I want to go to our videos. If you watched a file management video the other day, you already know how to set up the naming and structure of movies and TV shows to work with Plex. So in this particular case, you have nothing to do. If not, please look at that video and follow this format. If you have any questions, again, give us a call. So we're going to go ahead and launch this media server now. I'm going to go ahead and log in. If you already have a Plex account, just enter your information here. If not, go ahead and create a new account. I'm going to log into an account I recently created. I am a premium member. I have been for over 10 years, I believe. You can use Plex without being a premium member. You can use it with Roku and off your computer. Also Fire Stick, maybe some other streaming devices. You can name this friendly name, whatever you want. It is now time to add our media, television shows and movies, Hollywood type movies. These are not home videos of opening up presents on your uncle's 58th birthday. So we're going to add folders. I know on this particular computer, we put our videos on the F drive under users, the username, videos, entertainment, and in this case, we're going to select movies. We're going to add those movies. We're going to add one more library. This one's going to be TV shows. We're going to do something similar to that we just did, except we're going to select, can you guess? Can you say it with me? TV shows. You are correct. And we're going to add that library. We can also go and set up home movies and all that. I'm not going to do that because I don't have any movies here, but I will, however, show you the process that is. We would do other videos for that. And then add your family, wherever your folder is for your family videos, or whatever type of videos you want to do. Before we get into what Plex has to offer, I want to install an extension on a browser. And I'm just going to go to the Chrome store and I'm going to search for Video Speed Controller. And we're going to add it to Brave. I also want to be able to show it, so I'm going to click there. Not the ad block I want. Well, I can show that. That's fine. Let's go ahead and refresh this Plex page. Let's go to Options. With Video Speed Controller, you can customize this to your likings, or you can just remember the default settings here. Now let's get to Plex and what they have to offer. There's all kinds of free movies in here. There will be commercials. It's amazing they have It's a Wonderful Life, One of my all-time favorite movies. If you look in the left-hand corner here, it says 1. What that means, I double-clicked it to make full screen. This is playing at regular speed, 1 time the speed. I don't watch anything at 1 time the speed. I usually watch things at 2 to 3 times the speed. I'm going to adjust it here. I'm going to press D. I'm going to make this 2 times the speed. See how it says 2 there? It's a little hidden there. Let's play that. Let's skip somewhere in the middle of the movie.
Wait a minute. George, Uncle Billy, I want you to meet Ruth.
Hello. How do you do?
Ruth Dakin.
Ruth Dakin Bailey, if you don't mind.
That's right.
Well, I'm worried you had a surprise. Here she is. Meet the wife.
What do you know?
Wife. How do you doing? Congratulations. What am I doing? Now, I done then. Hurry up.
That's why I use video speed controller. I cannot stand watching things at regular speed. All right, but what we're going to do now is show the files that we put on our server. The movies, Little Shop of Horrors.
Here's your mock chicken legs. You don't have any money? So what else is new?
All right. I made a mistake. After all, the man is entitled.
No.
Well, you'll just have to talk to your father about it.
That is how you set up Plex Media Server. I hope this was helpful. Set this up. You need any help? Give us a call. That is a brief introduction to Plex Media Server. It's a great tool to use for your entertainment needs. Need any help? Give us a call. 317-912-4980. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.